Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your bolts on the front side of your Vauxhall Corsa MK4 Corsa E. So, we are going to open the car hood, and under the car hood you can see one bulb cover or bulb thing is on the right side and one is on the left side. I am showing here, for example, on the left side if you're sitting in the car. That means we have switched the ignition off and turn the relevant switch off. Oh, and then we can see three covers here. These covers are to protect the bulbs under it. Rotate them a little bit left turn and then you can remove them. If you remove them, check them, clean them, and maybe use a little bit of silicone or a little bit of WD-40 to make the rubber a little bit elastical. This rubber is important to make it waterproof. We can perform this on each of these covers. This is really easy, as you can see. Only rotate and a little bit left turn, job's done. This is an halogen headlight system. The headlight system with separate bulbs for dipping beam and main beam. Let's go and start with the first bulb, B bulb. You can also, if there is a problem, use a wrench to loosen this. But this is not so necessary often. It works easily. So let's start and replace each bulb on these three areas, because we have there three bulbs which we can remove and replace. So let's start with the first bulb. The dipped beam. To replace the bulb on this area, the only thing we have to do is press on the bottom side of the reflector base, and then you can remove the reflector itself, as you can see. Do not touch on the bulb with your fingers. Detach the plug connector now from the bulb. It is an H7 bulb, as you can see. Then we can now slide off the damaged bulb, and after this we can get a new in position. Don't drop the bulbs. Don't enjoy the bulbs. Don't eat the bulbs, etc. This is important. The replacement bulb must be in accordance with the data on the base of the defective bulb. Do not exceed what is given on bulb days or bases. So here we are. Now we get this bulb. You can see this is an H7 bulb, 12 volt, 55 watt, and we are going to replace them to a better one. It is an xenon bulb, but not xenon itself. It is a replacement xenon thing, but it's a little bit better, I think. So now insert the new bulb in the reflector in such a manner that the fixing lug of the bulb holder aligns with the reflector recess. Then go and wipe a little bit with the cloth over the glass, because you have you have a little bit salt, etc. in your sweat, etc. This is not good on the glass body. Now attach the connector to the bulb. Put on cover and engage wire clips. Here we are pushing it back in position, and then we are back in position if this bulb holding system locks. You cannot see this really good here, but it's really easy. go and look where the lock is. The lock has to be on the bottom side. If this is back in position, we can get back the cover in position. Only get it in position and then rotate it or rotate it right turn. Job's done, as you can see. So now let's go to the main beam. After we open the bonnet and engage the support, let's do the same like the others. It's the same system, as you can see. There is a level lock system on the bottom side, and while we are pushing upward, we can pull all out. Easy, as you can see, or it is really easy in this machine. On the other voxels before, there was a spring thing, and it was really hard. The spring was really difficult to use. But now it's really awesome, I think. After this, you can see H7 socket, H7 bulb. Now we can pull this bulb out of position and we can perform to replace this bulb. Again. Oh yeah. Only hold new bulb at the base. Do not touch the bulb glass with bare hands, otherwise fingerprints on the glass evaporate. Residue builds up on the reflector, eventually results in a dull reflector. Inadvertently stained bulbs may be cleaned with a clean, non-fluffy cloth using alcohol or white spirit if you like. So now we can back with the new bulb. The bulb comes back in position. You can see how to get it back in position. Here is the left side or left hand is the holding system, right side is the bulb. And you can see there are two connectors. These connectors has to be in position. Job's done, that is all. But do not forget to clean the new bulb, because the new bulb has to work inside your car. And do not harm a little bit or explosion, etc. is not necessary. To get it back in position, as you can see, take care of the wires. And if you're pressing it back in position, have a look that the lever opening system is on the bottom side and get it back in position. Press the cables back in the area. Job's done. As you can see, that was easy, isn't it? Oh yeah, this is new awesome technology. So next turn, we have to close the cover. There it is. Yeah. Ooh, rotated right turn. This is really easy. Maybe you have to rotate a little bit more right turn until it will get back in the horse again. So let's perform this now. Job's done, that it is. It's only a quarter rotation to lock this system. So, next bulb. This is the parking lights bulb. After we have opened the bonnet and engaged the support, then we have to bend these two connections a little bit by hand. Then it is unlocked. After this, use a screwdriver to push the bulb holding system out of the holes. Here we are. Pull it, job's done. Here we are. There is the big parking light. Hello, big parking light. How are you? Oh, you're damaged. Let's replace you. It's the same. Do not touch the bulb glass. Remove the bulb by pulling it out of position. Here. Good job. Then we have to replace it with the same model as before. That is here on the right side. Here we are. It is an Toshiba 12 watt 21/15 watt W21 5 watt. Yeah. E17 socket. So, no, 270 socket. Here's a new one. The new one, we have to get back in position. It's really easy. You cannot fail because it doesn't care how you rotate it. It does only care that the right direction is in place. After you push back the bulb in position, clean it with a cloth, and now it's so easy. Get it back into the host. Slide it back in position and let it lock. Here we are, it's locked. That it is how to replace your front bulbs. Let's check it, and here you can see now the left bulb is the new bulb with this higher effect, and I like it really much. It's a little bit blue. On the right side, this is your older H7 bulb. Nice, isn't it? Okay. That it is how to replace your bulbs on your Vauxhall Corsa E MK4. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.